Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong started his day with breaking a new Singapore record, the largest Qigong mass display in Singapore. And of course, he wasn't alone. PM Lee was part of the record-breaking number of 2,698 Qigong enthusiasts from the Northwest Community Development Centre, or CDC. The Northwest CDC had aimed to gather 3,000 people. Working hand-in-hand with the 18式 Association, which uses 18 moves in their special brand of healthy Qigong, we asked why they wanted to break a record.
We always want to make a difference, Every time we go in and see people holding big events like that, say, why not we set a record? Actually, they're very enthusiastic. I'm very, very thankful that they're also supportive of this particular event.
Other guests, like Minister Lim Swee Say from the Prime Minister's office and Mr. Hawazi Daipi, Senior Parliamentary Secretary, Ministry of Manpower and Ministry of Health, were also there to make up the numbers. And together, they broke the previous record of 765 people practicing Qigong together. Ayer Rajah West Coast Constituency Sports Club set that record in September last year in the Singapore Book of Records. The crowd who started streaming into the Woodlands Stadium came as early as 6 a.m. to help break the record. Northwest CDC, which currently already has 35 healthy Qigong clubs with 3,100 members, are still planning on expanding. In fact, they have even sent instructors to China to learn from the masters there.
We are hoping to encourage more community groups, especially our RCs, our NCs, or even the MCs in the private condominiums and private estates to actually form Qigong Club. Northwest CDC, we are more than happy to support. Right, so we are planning to train a pool of instructors, Qigong instructors and Qigong demonstrators, so that they can lead our residents to take up Qigong. From the 35, we want to encourage more formation of clubs to reach 60, and hopefully for each club, we can expand the membership. Ideally, a Qigong group should be about 30 to 50.
And why was Qigong the sport of choice?
Actually, Qigong is not only meant for the elderly. No, Qigong is actually meant for everyone. I practiced Qigong in 1985. Basically, I feel that health is actually the most important, besides other aspects. So to promote health, to make sure that every single resident at Northwest District places emphasis to keep themselves healthy. We have actually been identifying a number of activities which can reach out to all age groups. Qigong has a very easy entry in terms of learning the Qigong skills. So it is quite easy to pick up. And you find that in Qigong, the movements are very subtle, very slow, right? Quite a bit of repetitions. And it is very good for calming down your mental well-being and also your physical well-being.
Despite the rain that deterred many, the whopping number of 2,698 people practicing Qigong together filled the field. A little less than their target of 3,000, but it's still a new record.